Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Ankita Chauhan and I scored 99.29 percentile in last year's BBA, BMS, BCA, BBM CET. In this video, I am going to tell you something that no one really tells you. What actually happens when you are preparing for CET. Stuff that will save your time, save you from stress and save you from making silly mistakes. The biggest mistake people make is studying theory too much and not practicing enough. CET is all about time management. You have 90 minutes and 100 questions to answer. It's all about speed and accuracy. Reading from books all day won't help if you can't solve questions fast under pressure. So here's what you do. Start giving section wise test early, focused more on time practice than just studying notes. Build speed gradually, don't aim to be perfect on day one. Let's talk about mocks. Your first mock, it's probably going to be terrible, that's normal. But don't panic or stop giving mocks because of one low score. Instead, analyze every mock. What went wrong? Which section you messed up? What took too much time? Keep a mock review log. Even a simple notebook is fine or Google Sheet is fine. Aim for improvement, not perfection. Even 5 or 10 mark jumps matter. So just focus on what you are practicing. CET isn't just about studying hard, it's about playing smart. Each section has a different vibe. Logical reasoning, practice daily, learn patterns, not just answers. Verbal ability is really important. Here, if you just keep reading every day and not wasting your time in just solving the articles or pronunciations, it will really help you. The many students face problem. Even I used to face problems. Here I practice quant daily 1 hour. I used to give more time to quants because it was really tough for me. So what part is tough for you, you should give more time to that part. Build a strategy per section. You will see scores go up faster. Here's something no one talks about: mental burnout. You will get tired, you will feel like you're not improving. That's not normal. So, pace yourself. Don't study 10 hours a day if it burns you out in just 3 days. Study in blocks: 90 minutes study, 15 minutes break. Take full breaks once a week, guilt free. It's not about who studies the longest, it's about who stays consistent. During the actual CET exam, don't panic if the paper looks tough. Remember, CET is a relative exam. If it's hard for you, it's hard for everyone. What to do? Don't get stuck on any one question. If it takes more than 40 seconds, skip it. Focus on accuracy. Random guessing might hurt your rank. Keep calm in the last 10 minutes. They can make or break your score. Why I am telling this now? Because you must be solving mocks right now. So this will really help if you implement it right now only. Look, CET must be looking very competitive because 72,000 students have registered this year, which is 27% increase from the last year. But it's doable. You don't need to be a genius. You need to be smart, consistent, and calm under pressure. If you're preparing right now, trust the process. If you're struggling, don't quit. And if you ever feel lost, come back to this video. Good luck. And if this video really helped you, drop a like and share it with someone who's also preparing.